The second beta of watchOS 5 has been released to developers, and with it are a couple big noticeable changes. First up, whenever you have some music playing, you'll now notice a new Now Playing icon on the top of the watch face. Tapping on this new icon will take you directly to the Now Playing screen. This is very similar to when you're in a workout and there's the little green icon on top letting you know you're in a session. It does the exact same thing. Scrolling down our list of applications, we come to Walkie-Talkie, which in the first beta just said coming soon, but after updating to the second beta, Walkie-Talkie is now functional. By default, it shows you what Walkie-Talkie is and takes you to a list of all of your contacts. You can see I've added Vadim here, and below that I have the plus button to add additional quick contacts that I want to chat with. And going up to the top above Vadim's card, you can see we can toggle on or off our availability. When we're off, we can't go and chat with anyone, and no one can chat with us. Tapping on Vadim's name, that little card there, takes us to the talk screen. I can tap and hold to go ahead and talk to Vadim, and he can chat with me right back. When we're available within Walkie-Talkie, you can see on the top of the screen we have another little shortcut that'll take us right to the Walkie-Talkie app, and there's even a complication making it easy for you to jump right into Walkie-Talkie if you use it frequently. We saw a few watchOS and Apple Watch related things over on iOS 12 Beta 2. First up, time travel. If you actually search for time travel, you'll see that it kind of is still there, but it's been removed from the app. It's no longer available in that clock pane. References were also uncovered for new upcoming Apple Watch models that have yet to be announced. We'll likely see those in September alongside new iPhones. So what do you guys think of the new features and Walkie-Talkie? Are you excited to try it out? If you found anything else new that we didn't cover, be sure to let us know down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.